Hi guys, George here, welcome to my channel. The whole reason for me starting this channel is because, like many of you, the coronavirus has hit the world and has destroyed everything for most people. No going out, no groups, no unnecessary trips. Stock markets are crashing, just everything's turned to fire at the moment. So I'm one of those people that have their jobs on furlough. So if you don't know what that means, is basically for the next 3 months Boris Johnson is going to pay for your wages for you not being able to be in work. Only 80% though. So it's kind of a scary time because, okay, he's paying my wages and a lot of other people's wages because I'm a graphic designer by trade. So my work is off. So it depends if the economy recovers in time in 3 months for me to go back into my job, but the likelihood of that happening is very slim, and a lot of other people are in the same boat as well. So I was kind of like crapping myself thinking, right, how am I going to make a living? And at the end of this 3 months I'm going to have to look for another job, but if everyone's in the same boat, they're all going to be fighting for the same job. So how do I make money whilst being stuck at home? So how do I make money? How do I get myself out of the situation? What am I going to do? So in my head, it's pretty messed up. I decided to give stocks and shares, stocks and shares, like trading, a chance, because the way I think about it is, it doesn't matter where you are in the world. It doesn't matter if you have to be in work, like in an office or at home. You don't have to actually own anything. You don't have to ship anything. You have to touch anything. So like in a normal business, you've got shipping fees, overheads, buying the product, shipping the product, packaging it, making sure you've got guarantees, all that stuff. So at the moment when the world's on fire, no one can go out, and not many people are guaranteed to have a job in 3 months. The money's not going to be there for people to spend, and also I don't have the money in my bank account to then start a business anyway. So like, how can I make money with no product, no overheads, and no property, really? So this channel is basically going to be my journey from me knowing absolutely nothing and follow it, and showing you step by step of me learning and understanding the market and how to trade, teaching myself, and also, quite excitingly, I managed to I probably should have done this. If you heard of a guy called Greg Secker, he's a massive forex trading mastermind, and I've managed to get on one of his programs. Now one of these programs costs $3,000, and there's maybe like 1 or 30 people that can get on this unique course. So I've managed to put £500 down into it, but I've got to make $2,500 in 90 days with a job that I haven't really got a guarantee at the end of the 3 months, and 80% wages for the next 3 months, and I still have normal outgoings. So this channel is going to be showing you how I'm going to go from this state now of basically 25, living with my parents, broke, the world's gone to fire, I've got no guaranteed job in 3 months, and I'm going to try and replace my work income on trading. And before any of this starts, I need to make $2,500 within 90 days, otherwise everything gets cancelled, to then start my trading training, where I go to workshops and get hand-to-hand help with professional traders out there that can teach me everything I need to know to then progress, and then I can finally make a living by myself. And whether the market goes up, down, or this coronavirus strike 2, plague strike 2 happens again, it doesn't matter. I can still make money from wherever I am in the world. It doesn't matter. So I've dived 2 feet into this, hoping for the best. I know it's going to work out because I'm going to put in the work. I mean, I'm home for a month until further notice. I mean, the likelihood of that month being 3 months is pretty guaranteed. So I'm 100% focused on making content every day, showing you guys how I'm learning it, what I'm learning, why I'm doing it. And when I get the help from the professionals and growing this, I'm going to teach you guys the exact same as well. And it won't be for $3,000. Fuck that. But I'm really excited. I hope you guys can join me on my journey, because I want to show you that you guys aren't alone. I know you're at home thinking, crap, I've got no job, I've got no income coming in. This might be a route for you, so you can learn through my mistakes of what I'm about to go through, and hopefully come out on the other side with, I don't need to work my job anymore, because now I can do trading full time. But yeah, in the next coming videos I'll explain what platform I'm using, who Greg Secker is, and the next steps for the coming videos. But yeah, thank you for this, watch my video guys, and yeah, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit like and the bell button so you can get updates on all the carnage that's gonna happen to me. But yeah, I'm gonna make a lot of mistakes and hopefully you guys can learn from them. But yeah, thank you and welcome to my channel.